What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a great video for you today. This is another Denali Ultimate 2024 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali Ultimate. The truck is going to be getting a 5-inch BDS lift kit with the Fox 2.0 shocks. We're doing some 26-inch JTX forged Infinity dually wheels. They're going to have floating center caps with custom engraving on there. My customer is a Navy guy. He has a U.S. Navy going on the wheel and on the lip of the wheel and on the center cap. This is going to be a really cool set of wheels and a really nice truck when it's done. We're doing a set of suspension max torsion keys on this truck as well. It's like the icing on the cake. And then we're doing a set of 37, 1350, 26 Fury Country Hunter MT tires. This truck is going to look amazing. I'm about to get out right now and show you what we're starting with. Here's our immaculate clean 2024 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali Ultimate. My customer John takes really good care of this truck. You can tell it is super low mileage on the truck. There's not a speck of dirt really on it. You can tell that 2024 is the year because this Vader Chrome outer perimeter on the grill was only a one-year thing. In 2025, they went to color matched like the rest of the truck. The interior of this truck is also very clean. Denali Ultimates look the best on the inside. You can tell when somebody takes care of their stuff, for real. And black is not an easy color to take care of either, so if you catch a good clean black truck right here, you know that somebody's been washing this truck all the time and keeping it detailed. You know, that's something I don't do with mine. I'm very few and far in between on the washes and details, but it is what it is. This truck is amazing. Can't wait to get it pulled in. We're about to get that 5-inch BDS on here with suspension max torsion keys, and then we're going to put that set of JTX 26-inch Infinities on here with the floating caps. Stay tuned for the process. We're about to get it pulled in right now. Thanks for watching. And just like that, we are ready to go. Sitting in this 2024 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali Ultimate. My guy John's about to head back to Alabama. The truck looks phenomenal. It's got the 26-inch JTX Infinities in the black and milled finish with the 37 1350 26 Fury MT tires. This 5-inch BDS lift kit with the Fox 2.0 shocks is amazing. He got the best of everything. The truck looks great. I hope he's happy. I'm happy with it. So I'm about to get out and show you what it looks like, and I hope you're happy with it. Here's our flawless GMC Sierra 3500 Denali Ultimate. Wow, this truck is great. It's perfect. Nothing like it. I guess I'll start with the BDS lift kit on this one. There's our cross member and skid plate with the front BDS badge. They run this same cross member from 5 to 6.5 inches on their lift kit, so at 5 inches you're getting almost perfect angles. It's amazing. This truck does have the Fox 2.0 shocks. It's an aluminum body shock, very, very nice. In the rear of this truck, you can see the Fox 2.0 shock back there, and then there's the fabricated lift block from BDS that has the bump stop landing piece on it right there that you need. The tires and wheels we went with on this are 37 1350 26 Fury MT. It's really the only tire that makes sense on dually wheels to us, so we use them in just about every situation. Fury is one of the best tires you can get into 26 for sure. The wheel is the JTX Infinity. This is a black and milled wheel. This is a custom wheel that was built for this customer. We had ordered these back in March for him. If you look, you'll notice that it says JTX forged right here like normal. And then over here, it says US Navy. The center cap in the middle is a floating center cap. It also says US Navy right there. Whenever he drives down the road at 80 miles an hour, this is a weighted, very, very heavy center cap. It will stay still, and you'll see the US Navy readout right there on the center cap. We did put the spikes on this as well. You have the option of black or chrome spikes whenever you do this. He has actually bought both sets, chrome and black. Looks awesome. I get a lot of questions about the rear tire and wheel fitment. On a 26 like this, it is a steel adapter. Let's take a look at that first. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a steel adapter up inside there that mounts to the truck. It changes the truck from the 10, this is an 8x210 bolt pattern, up to a 10x285 semi-truck bolt pattern. And then your first wheel is bolted directly on. This particular set, there might be one spacer in there, slide spacer, in between the two to keep the tires from touching in the middle. We clear on the inside too there, on the spring. This is definitely an expensive one. The customer has good taste, knows what he wanted. I know this is exactly what he wanted the truck to look like, and I'm so glad to give it to him. He's on the way here now to get it. This truck was actually only here for one day, and probably 60% of that one day is all it took to get this done. We did 2 trucks today. We had probably 5 mechanics on both trucks, and everything was finished early, so can't promise it every day, but this guy is getting to be done the first day. Really cool. I'm going to put a quote right after this clip so you guys can see how much this one would cost. If you have any questions about the build, or you have any other price questions, or you want to build a truck, shoot me a call. My name is Jake. The number here is 678-994-9180. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. And I appreciate everybody watching.